Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this Android head unit special for Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 22 to 29 years. Okay, let me unbox the review. Okay, you can check head unit with good condition. Okay, this special comes in the parts. Okay, let me show harness it first. And this head unit for low and high level. You can check this special foam harness. And this ISO harness connect to our back head unit, and this one or this connect to canvas box. Canvas box will come with the head unit together. Okay, let me. And this one for original backup camera. And this may power is different. And this for steering wheel controls. And AUX, you can check AUX input. Okay. And this external microphone. This high level for head unit. And this GPS antenna. Okay, it comes with two canvas decoder box. You can check one canvas decoder box. Toyota Land Cruiser 22 to 29. No, this is yes, Prado and the Land Cruiser. And this canvas box. Okay. And this also a camera adapter, the RCA type. And this USB cable, and this connect to back. This AUX input, video input, and AUX input right, this left and right, and brake wire do not need to connect, sorry. And this is K1 and K2 GND for steering wheel control. It's K1 GND for steering wheel control. Also steering wheel already connect that connector. This IR and the AMP wire 12 voltage. Okay. This RC cable, this subwoofer, RC tap and RC left and right, front and rear. Connect to back header unit. Okay, also this video output 1 and video output 2. RC tap. This back wire and reserve wire. This power and this front video camera input. Okay, let me show you the units. Okay, this is special header unit. Let me check the back. And you can check this back header unit. This is radio, this USB, and come with 2 USB. This GPS, Wi-Fi, this audio cable, and USB and other connection. This eye is so harness, this audio cable, this fuse, this heat sink. Okay. Okay, let me connect the back of the unit. Power. Need something. Let me find something to fix it. Okay. Okay, header unit start. Okay, head unit started. You can check this Land Cruiser Prado head unit. Okay, let me show it. You can check this built in the microphone, this reset hole. And you have navigation, radio, music, this amplifier, console, fuse, car settings, TPMS, amplifier info. Okay, and video, Bluetooth, phone link for mirror link, easy connection for mirror link, support Android phone and iPhone, Apple iPhone cast settings. And all apps are here. It's long, it's full size screen. This down and up. Okay, Bluetooth. Really, it can be touched. This DSP amplifier. It supports DSP. Okay, adjust. Okay. Spec, CQ. You also can adjust, and back sound filter. Back the home, Bluetooth, and all apps are here. It's built in Play Store. Okay, it's full size. It's Play Store, Google Maps, and support built-in. You can download the applications from Play Store. Okay, let me check the settings. More settings. Built-in Wi-Fi, support 4G, and you can check this PX6 RK3399 Android 9 Pie system. Settings, you can check the original. GPS, come with head unit, date and time, language, built in all languages, DSP, back, and system info, you can check ROMs 4GB, ROMs 32GB. Okay, reset, installs, radio, touch key, boot logo, you can cut custom. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Thank you.